They're so delicious that I cook them twice a week. Let's start by slicing 2 tomatoes. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, don't forget to interact with this video. I'm going to remove the middle part of the slice like this. Then cut this middle part into small pieces. Place in a bowl. Chop the spring onions to taste. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Combine the spring onions with the tomatoes. Add 2 eggs. One teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Mix everything together very well. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. Put a drizzle of oil in a frying pan. Add the sliced tomatoes to the pan. Now I'm going to pour the sauce we've prepared into the tomato slices. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know how it turned out. Add oregano to taste. Cook for 5 minutes on a low heat. And our recipe is ready. Easy and quick to prepare at home for a delicious snack. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.